Good morning. So yeah, I wasn't even planning to come out and do any type of photography or videos today. I was just going to take a day off and relax and be lazy, but got an alert on my phone saying there was going to be excessive fog this morning till about 11 a.m. And mornings like that, you just got to take advantage of it. They don't come around too often. And this little park is a perfect place to show that off. I'm at Northwest Community Park here in Haltom City. You may have seen this in another video I did called Follow the Sun. It was just mainly a B-roll drone video featuring my dog, Buddy, going for a swim. He's not here today, it's a little bit too cold, and he'd still jump in the water and that just wouldn't be good, so he's just resting up. But yeah, what I thought I'd do today was take you on a little tour of this park, different areas. The fog is just gonna add so much atmosphere to the images I'm trying to get. So we're gonna check out, there's a little waterfall, there's a bunch of just wintry, dead Tim Burton looking trees, and they're gonna look great through this mist in the air. So yeah, come along and see what we get. Should be some good stuff today. All right, so one of the first places I want to take you to is actually back to the main entrance. As I was coming in, there's a handful of trees that are all have that wintry dead look, but they still have a handful of leaves on them that have this orangish red kind of fiery looking color to them. And I bet if I take an image of that with the gray background with the fog, it's going to be really vibrant. Anything that does still have color out here really stands out. It's kind of what I was talking about in my last video, if you watched that briefly. There's even some kind of bird in it, some type of hawk or something I can't identify, but I hope he's still there, because that'd be a really nice little detail to add to this image. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So I've got my composition all set up for this shot. Biggest thing I'm trying to catch is the motion of the water coming down out of this waterfall, flowing over these rocks. Quick lesson in how you get motion in an image, motion blur versus no motion at all, like it's still shot. That all has to do with your shutter speed. The slower the shutter speed, as in the longer that aperture is open, taking in that image, the more fluid motion you're going to have in your photo. The faster it is, the faster the click of that shutter, the sharper it's going to be. So for something like this, trying to get the motion of that water, I have my shutter speed set to about 1/4 of a second, which should give me a really nice flowing motion to it. So let's see what that looks like. Perfect. Now just to show you the contrast of faster shutter speed, what that would look like with an image like this, let me set that up real quick. So we're going to go shutter speed to, we'll just go 1/60th of a second. Alright, at this speed it should be a really quick flash with that aperture, and it should freeze that water in place. And you'll see the difference between the last picture I took and this one. Well, unfortunately, it looks like the fog has dissipated. Still got some good shots in. I wanted to get one more with this, what I was talking about before, Tim Burton looking tree. Fog really would have added something to it, but I don't know. We'll see what we can get. I might get a bracketed shot and just see how that turns out. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. I'd say one message to take away from this one is get out and explore your neighborhood, explore your local parks. Even in a suburban city environment, there's still these little tucked away nature centers that are worth your time. I mean, I saw some deer crossing by not long ago, and you just don't come across that much where I live, but they're here. So I think I'll pack up for the day. Might take the drone out and get some obligatory overhead nature shots and be on my way for the day. But hope you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the next one, and we will see you then. All right. What is that thing? Who knows who that thing is? Should I grab it? I think I have to grab it. What is that? Oh man, I don't know. Anybody know what that is? It was in the tree. Anybody? Should I open it? I think I'm gonna open it. All right, let's find out together. Hope nothing explodes. Whoa, what is going on? All right. Well, this got interesting. Well, I'm guessing some kind of journal, and if it's here, I'm sure they meant for it to be read by whoever finds it, so. Okay, let's see what this says. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. It's one of those geocaches. Placed, K9 and Per visited this cache. McKinley 1819, Dayton, Ohio. JMW 12419, Fort Worth. Jacob Isabel Rogers found 2419. MDC and GB 52719. KV, yeah, it's just a bunch of people that damn it, I don't have a pen. All right, so I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna run to my car. I'm gonna get a pen. I'm gonna add my name to the infamous geo find. Pretty cool. Another reason to get out and explore. Who knows what you're gonna find. Have a good one.